Kata bedo ni thoth jopuonjre mag skund Kanani bedo kod songa mar ng'ol, pod ginyalo timo maber e penj ma bende nolandi mano mar KCPE. Japuonjre motel e skundno mayudore Mavoko e kaunti ma Machakos noyudo maks 409 ka maromo 30 oyudo maks 350 kadhi malo. Japuonjre motel e skundno Lewis Nzioka owacho ni lek mare en donjo e skund sekondar ma Mang'u ka entiere gi lek mar somo weche mago mag lony.
I want to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all my parents, to all who contributed to my success. Yeah, I want to go to Mang'u High School.
I got 394 marks. I really feel good of getting that. And also I thank my teachers for supporting me very much. I thank also my parents for giving me a lot of support, my relatives. They really believed in me, and that is what made me to score such high marks.
My learners did very well. They are disciplined. I'm very happy. I'm one of the happiest teacher in the country because my learners did very well. They didn't disappoint me.
Despite the fact that there were many candidates with special needs, still the school was able to perform because of the commitment of the teachers and the parents. So cooperation is the key thing in performance.